Welcome to math class. (4.1c) Liters and cubic centimeters. In this lesson, we will be discussing the relationship between liters and cubic centimeters and solving problems by applying this information. This is a cubic centimeter. The cube, if it were a container, would hold 1 centimeter cubed of water. 1 centimeter cubed, or 1 cubic centimeter, has the same volume as 1 milliliter of water. Even if 1 milliliter of water were spread out in a teaspoon, for example, we can still say that it has a volume equivalent to 1 centimeter cubed. The volume of a cube with edge 10 centimeters can be found by multiplying length times width times height, which would be 10 centimeters times 10 centimeters times 10 centimeters, which equals 1,000 centimeters cubed. 1,000 centimeters cubed is the same as 1,000 milliliters. 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. Example 1, textbook page 56, number 4. A rectangular container measuring 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters by 22 centimeters is half filled with oil. Find the volume of the oil in liters. Remember, 1 liter equals 1,000 centimeters cubed. We are going to find the volume of the oil when this container is half filled. So to find volume, we are going to use the formula length times width times height. Our length is 20 centimeters times our width, which is also 20 centimeters, times our height. So this is where you might get tricked because the height of the container is 22 centimeters, but the container is only half full. So we are only going to use the height of the oil. So what is half of 22? 11. So we are going to use 11 centimeters as our height. Let's multiply this out. 20 times 20 is 400. You can think of this as 20 times 2, which is 40, and multiply that by 10, and that would be 400. Next, we're going to multiply 400 by 11, which is 4,400. And now we'll multiply centimeters by centimeters by centimeters, which is centimeters cubed. Since they wanted this answer in liters, we're now going to take 4,400 centimeters cubed and convert it to liters. So first, we're going to put it into milliliters. 4,400 centimeters cubed is the same as how many milliliters? (4,400 milliliters is the same as 4,400 centimeters cubed because 1 cubic centimeter has the same volume as 1 milliliter. So now to go from milliliters to liters. How many milliliters are in a liter? 1,000. So we are going to divide our 4,400 milliliters by 1,000, which leaves us with 4.4. There are 4.4 liters of oil in our container right here. Example 2, textbook page 56, number 5. A rectangular tank is 90 centimeters long and 50 centimeters wide. It contains 162 liters of water when it is 2/3 full. Find the height of the tank. 1 liter equals 1,000 centimeters cubed. For example 2, the first step that we are going to do is find the height of the water right here. So to find the height of the water, we are going to take the length times width times height, which is the same as the volume, and divide it by the area of the base, which is length times width. Since this container holds 162 liters, we are going to convert that into cubic centimeters. So we are going to take our volume, which is 162, and multiply it by our 1,000 centimeters cubed. We can do this because 1,000 centimeters cubed has the same volume as 1 liter. And we're going to divide this by our length, which is 90 centimeters, times our width, which is 50 centimeters. Now let's multiply this up. 162 times 1,000 is 162,000. Bring down our unit, which is centimeters cubed, divided by 90 centimeters times 50 centimeters. 90 times 50 is 4,500. And centimeters times centimeters is centimeters squared. Now we can simplify. I want you to go ahead and try to simplify this on your own. 162,000 centimeters cubed over 4,500 centimeters squared simplifies to 36 centimeters. So now we know that the height of our liquid is 36 centimeters. But remember, the problem wants to know what the height of the entire container is. So we're not quite finished yet. We know that the container is 2/3 full. So 2/3 of our height is 36 centimeters. So we need to find out first what 1/3 of our height is. So if 2/3 is 36 centimeters, what is 1/3? One-third of our height is going to be 18 centimeters. So now that we know what 2/3 is, and we know what 1/3 is, we can add these two numbers together to find the full height of our container. 36 centimeters plus 18 centimeters is 54 centimeters. The full height of this container is 54 centimeters.
This is Maeve. Maeve is a female Holland Lop rabbit. She is all black and she is about 10 months old. Some of her favorite things include scritches and pets. She's not a big fan of being picked up or held, but she does love to be cuddly and get lots of attention.
This is Maeve's room. She has her hutch, which is where she likes to sleep, and that's also where her litter boxes are. And she also has this playpen, which gives her lots of areas to run around and binky and play with lots of toys. Some of her favorite toys are this purple tunnel that she likes to run through. She also loves this litter box, which I actually turned into a dig box. So I filled it with paper bedding, and she can use that to dig and play with.
She loves hay. And just like Harvey the guinea pig, it's really important for her to have access to hay 24/7. It is super important for their health. Maeve is a great eater, and she is always eager to eat all of her hay and veggies and pellets.
These are some little heart-shaped treats that I made for her using my dehydrator at home. So let's see if she would like one right now. Maeve, you want one? There you go. Come on, get one. Maeve, do you want a treat? You totally wanted a treat.